So you guys can hear it. The brakes can get quite squeaky. Right, that's actually one of 4 downsides, I would say. See, the brakes can actually be quite squeaky. So this is the first downside, squeaky brakes. And unfortunately, the handlebar, the height of the handlebar couldn't be adjusted. Let me show you. It can be folded, but it can't be adjusted. So which may be a good or bad thing right? Good is so that it doesn't have shaky stem. Bad is you only can adjust the height of the seat to fit well with the handlebar. Yeah, let's do a demo on how to fold the handlebar, by the way. So you have to push up this safety lock, and then after which you have to pull downwards. Because this is still quite new, so it uses a bit of strength. And I had this for quite a while already, so I haven't oiled it as well, by the way. Anyways, I keep up. I haven't oiled it. I haven't oiled it. So 2 cons already. One is the handlebar length. It's not adjustable. The other one is the squeaky brakes. The third one is the width of the handlebar. See, it's just this length. You can put 1 phone mount, maybe like 1 lock. That's it. You can't put any other accessories. You can't put mirror. You can't put a traditional bicycle bell. That's it. It's a short handlebar, which I think, I mean, if you want, you can actually change the width of the handlebar if you want but I mean, it defeats the purpose, right? You purchase a compact e-bike and then you want a long handlebar. Defeats the purpose, right? Yeah, so that can be rectified that problem can be rectified just saying. So this is the third downside. Right, and the fourth downside about this e-bike is that the battery is situated here, okay, and the battery cannot be removed. So you can't actually park your e-bike outside and charge your battery inside. But this e-bike is so compact, so small anyway, that I guess you can just put it inside your house altogether and charge the e-bike. But nonetheless, I'm putting all of the cons and pros just right out here so that you guys can know in details, which is what this channel is all about, right? Giving you guys the most honest review as much as possible. And again, time right now 11 AM. No order, still no order. Let's probably cycle to, I don't know. Yeah, let's head to McDonald's. Let's head to McDonald's Tampines East. Let's try to get an order. Hopefully we might be able to get an order to Flora, which I hate doing but then I have no order instead of waiting around. Why not just do that, right? Yeah, let's go. This short clip is from the last episode on the top right. Click to watch it or check out one of my most updated playlists that I've selected for you. Fellow riders, see you on the streets!